in Jasper. We camped tonight at a Wapiti Park. I think it's how you say it. I'll put the name in below. And now we're gonna head off to the Columbia ice fields. We'll see how those turn out. Stay tuned.
Hello, Adventure Rider, DMC, intercom, mode.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, died with my own doubts.
Big old beamer coming down the road. Where she stops, no one knows. You ready for your escort?
How's it going?
Not bad. It's a hot day.
Super hot. You guys staying cool enough?
At about 70.
I saw you guys over in Lake Louise.
Yep.
Where are you guys coming from?
Florida.
Dakota.
Florida. Florida.
Florida.
No, Florida.
Florida.
Yeah.
Holy that's a long way away from home.
Yeah, we went all the way up to Alaska and coming back around.
Holy cow.
Yeah, you too. Nice little town. Those things hanging out the window, they're AC units or something. Or they're tenting the place for termites. Wild Bills. Woo! Hey, that's where they ate then. If there's a Starbucks, they said they were right across the street from a Starbucks. This is a cool little town. Alright, so yeah, definitely gotta spend a day here. A day in Lake Louise. Probably 2 days here, 1 day Lake Louise, and then 2 days in Jasper. That would be the way to do it. Boston's Pizza. Montana now, and we just pulled up to Two Sisters Cafe. You ready for us? You don't know? I am taking a video. Everybody else is staying at St. Mary's Lodge. We ended up getting a little motel down the road. A lot less money. Waiting to be seated because we're starving, right honey? We're starving. We want to eat. So that guy is chewing on that rat like no tomorrow. Yeah, he's eating it like he's never had food before. Yeah, he won't fit on my bike. I'm sorry. We'd probably take him. All right, so what's that drink you ordered?
It's like mango lemonade.
House-made mango lemonade. I'm drinking the same thing, and I got a shake on the way. This is the inside of Two Sisters Cafe. It's pretty cool. License plates from all over the world, looks like, and they got sticker walls everywhere.
So I'll be putting up my sticker later. So I just got a almond roca shake. It came with a cherry, but someone stole it. I'm not gonna say who, this person. And it is amazing.
You want my little chippies?
Excellent, excellent. And Nikki got a soup.
Lentil and mushroom.
Looks yummy. All right, I'm leaving my mark at Two Sisters Cafe here in Montana. Two-wheel adventure was here. Good stuff. So we ended up getting a room over at Thorson's General Store, which is also a little motel. It doesn't look like much on the outside, but I'm going to show you guys the inside. It's surprisingly pretty nice. But the views here, the sunsets are spectacular. Look at the sky, the color. I think if you'll do the honors, room 22. So we got our little nice chair. You walk in, you get hardwood floors and plenty of space. This place is done up pretty well. Can't really complain. The bed feels nice.
And she gave stickers.
And we got some stickers. Let's find a light. So, fridge, bathroom, and a little shower. Let's see what's our view like. Look at that. All right, besides the little cabins back there, we do have a little bit of a mountain slash hill. Tomorrow we're gonna do some more riding.